Oh.
Bella a tutti ragazzi, benvenuti in questo nuovo video del VR Project. Sono carico a bomba perché è mancato per un bel po' e mi dispiace. In questo video ragazzi abbiamo iniziato tagliando dei pezzi sul telaio che non mi servivano più e sul forcellone, ovvero sto parlando del supporto del clacson e il supporto del paracatena. Quindi il lavoro finito è venuto così. E questo invece è il forcellone ragazzi. Come vedete questa è la parte sopra e sono spariti tutti gli attacchi che tenevano il paracatena. Ora ragazzi vi lascio il video perché fa veramente morire dal ridere, io ve lo dico. Quindi vi lascio il video. Sì, da che parte va le springs adesso? Se non tacco la corrente non va niente. Vai.
Non va bene la cosa.
Prova. Così. Se no è la prolunga che fa schifo.
E com'è che non deve sempre andare?
Vediamo se va questa. Dove cazzo? Prova.
Ma adesso scusa un attimo, Ma Dio.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I... She's really complicated, but that only makes it better. And it's got me so fixated, and I'm not the type to wait around. I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coaster. She likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coaster. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too...
Adesso diamo una passata al telaio perché per portarlo in verniciatura deve essere bello pulito.
She looks young, but since she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She's got a body like a coaster. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coaster. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
niente raga, mi era venuto un dubbio che la pompa questa diciamo non andasse bene per il diametro del tubo, no? Per fortuna ci entra e sono molto contento che attacchi. Ora dovrò vedere anche per la pompa, sperando che ci entri, perché sennò sono un po' nello schifo. Ho appena smontato la pinza, no? E mi sono appena accorto che c'era la vite che, guardate lo sporco che aveva. Simpatico. Con grande piacere vi dico che monta perfettamente, quindi perfettissimo raga.
Hey, get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get fucked up, drink a little bit, smoke a little bit, pop a little bit. Hey, get fucked up, we ain't doing much, trying to have a good time. Got 4 bad bitches, man, the pleasure's all mine. Girls kiss some girls, best believe they all fine. Girls kiss some girls, best believe they all fine. Like, oh, we ain't doing much, trying to have a good time. Got 4 bad bitches, man, the pleasure's all mine. Girls kiss some girls, best believe they all fine. Girls kiss some girls, best believe they all fine. Let go.
I'm working, I wanna be great, yeah. Working, I wanna be paid, yeah. Every decision I made, yeah. I ain't never been afraid, nah. I'm always trying new things, yeah. That's how you grow and succeed, yeah. Man, you just gotta believe, yeah. So listen up while I proceed, yeah. Want a couple $100 grand, like, yeah. Got a couple 100 plans, like, yeah. Man, I do it for the fans, like, yeah. I don't do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, oh, nah. I don't do it for the camera, I just do it cause I love it. Do it cause I want it, I can never get enough, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with I've been making tracks so I feel okay. I've been making tracks so I feel this way. Make them back to back or I'd go insane. Every single week it resets my brain. I will not retreat from doing my thing. Rap, track, rock, love it all the same. Don't judge me cause I play the game. Understand art always has to change. I do not wanna be put in a box. Without this music I know I'd be lost. I want my music to finally take off. If you hate on me you don't know me at all. Keep my head down, I don't have no regrets. Everybody gets so crazy upset. Sometimes it's better to think and reset. You never know when you'll take your last breath, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we've all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me. I wanna party like SB. I want a girl call me
Hola. Perfetto. Aia scotta. Allora raga, l'ultima cosa che volevo fare oggi, se la trovo, era usare questa per appunto fare quello che vi annunciavo già da un po', ovvero mettere a posto il terminale. Prima però di spazzolarlo e di scaldarlo per farlo diventare tutto col viola come piace diciamo a noi, gli togliamo tutti i supporti per i paracalore, perché a me fanno proprio schifo, odiati dal primo giorno, quindi prima di spazzolarlo tagliamo i vari supporti. so, avevano paura che si togliessero, madonna, li hanno fatti duri come non so cosa. Comunque, dato che ho poca batteria, vi faccio vedere il lavoro finito. Il risultato è questo: ho tagliato tutti i vari supporti, soprattutto questo che era veramente brutto, e adesso col disco da smeriglio li tiro un po' via. Lì se vedete un taglio era perché quando ho decatalizzato, per sapere esattamente come risaldarlo dritto. Comunque adesso smeriglio e poi iniziamo a spazzolare. Beh, che dire, sinceramente ci ho messo un'ora, pensavo di metterci meno, però per farvi capire quanto ho tagliato. Però diciamo che è venuto bene, anche se adesso si vede così. Spazzolandolo speriamo venga molto bene. E niente, ora iniziamo a spazzolarlo.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it.